Go ahead.
Matthew, what does the cow say? Moo. Good job. What does the snake say? Good job. What does the owl say? Woo, woo, yeah, good job. What does the elephant say? Good job. What does the birdie say? What does the birdie say? Tweet, tweet, tweet. What does the duck say? Quack, quack. What does the horsey say? What does the doggy say? Ruff, ruff, ruff. What does the kitty say? Meow. What does the pig say? Good job. What does the sheep say? Yeah. What else do we do?
Good job, Matthew.
Good job.
What does the lion say?
What does the lion say? What does the lion say? Rawr.
Roar.
Just like the tiger. What does the tiger say? Rawr. Yeah.
Good job, Matthew.
job.
Yay!
It's a yay!
Ah.
Say, I love you. No,
Yeah.
all done.